Namaskar, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session of linear programming problem, today we shall discuss about the different methods of finding numerical solution of a linear programming problem. And for the sake of convenience of your study, I would like to share and the screen and kindly see. Let us write or take a screenshot of this different types of linear programming problems. Different types of linear programming problems. Different, please write, different types of linear programming problems. Different types of linear programming problems. So, few important linear programming problems are listed below, and I suggest you that kindly you write. First type is manufacturing problems, second is diet problem, and third is transportation problems. Means you can say in linear programming, in your LPP, in your linear programming problems, the total set of problems may be divided into three grade or three categories. And the first is manufacturing problem, means if you want to determine the number of units of different products which should be produced and sold by a firm, when each product requires a fixed manpower, machine hours, labor hour per unit product, warehouse space per unit of output, etc. So in that circumstance, that problem will be coming under the category of manufacturing problems. Whereas the diet problems means if you are visiting to a physician, if you are visiting to a dietitian, and you are asking some suggestion for your hospital or for your organization that what diet should be provided. So in all that case, if the data is very weak, then for the study to minimize the maximize the output, and you can say optimize the solution, you can take help of linear programming. So in these here we have written, in these problems we determine the amount of different kinds of constituents, nutrients, which should be included in a diet so as to minimize the cost of the desired diet such that it contains a certain minimum amount of each constituent or nutrients. And the third is transportation problem. If there is a company, suppose you are working in Microsoft and the company is located in Jaipur, and you want to, you can say, carry some hard disks and some hardware from Mumbai, then you have to hire some vehicles, some trucks, and some, you can say, talk to the railway for a booking of your, you can say, accessories, and to fetch it for your organization, for your industry. Then the problem that we are discussing right now will be under the arena of transportation problem. And you see here in these problems, we determine a transportation schedule in order to find the cheapest way of transporting a product from plants, factories situated at different location of different market. As I have taken example of Jaipur and Mumbai, and I have taken example of, you can say, hardware production, or any, you can say, any aspect you are planning to discuss. But if you are working, you are in the industry as a manager, or if you are managing all the things of the production, then you have to face the daily problems of transportation, that how the to and fro situations are handled by the different data and the expenses that are occurring in during that process, you have to formulate, you have to calculate, and then you have to minimize the cost, that how by minimum resources we can get maximum benefit. Because for the smooth functioning of any, you can say, organization, the financial equilibrium and the financial discipline is very much needed to be controlled synthetically, and that is counted as one of the best property of a manager that is working in an industry as a software or hardware expert also. So I hope that you have written that there are three, you can say, linear programming problems. There are three different types of linear programming problem. First is manufacturing problem, second is diet problems, and third is transportation problem. So students, now and let us see, and you will be happy to, you can say, the practical aspect of this numerical. Though I will be solving the, you can say, don't be feared, I will be solving this numerical in the next class. Just I am making familiar with this numerical to you. A dietitian wishes to mix two types of foods in such a way that vitamins contents of the maximum mixture contain at least 8 unit of vitamin capital A and 10 unit of vitamin C. Food 1 contains 2 units per kg of vitamin A and 1 unit per kg of vitamin C. Food second contains 1 unit per kg of vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin C. It costs rupees 50 per kg to purchase food 1 and 70 kg to purchase food 2. Formulate this problem as a linear programming problem to minimize the cost of such mixture. Here, firstly, your target, as I, and you can say, spoken to you, I have already spoken to you that in some numericals of linear programming problem, you have to formulate firstly the problem on the basis of, you can say, z is equal to, or in the form of equations by taking some constant. Then after that, your target is to get solution of that numerical problem. So I suggest you that you firstly see this numerical, take a screenshot of this, and in the next class I shall be solving this numerical problem for you. So thank you students. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to solve your query, and further I would like to say you that even at that stage you are any other query during my live session, live interaction with you, you can also put your numerical before me and I will be resolving your query from there also. So thank you very much for listening me and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot.